For our outside evangelism, what do you call them? Stage, you need a band, you need what do you call speakers, generator, computer, video recorders. That's where you can see that it's a very environment. We move out to win souls, and this is a poor community. We use materials, money to give to people. Widows, people that are very poor, some of them will pay the school fees. Very, like them. Some of them have lost their husband very young because of the terribleness of the times we are in. A lot of deaths, disease, sicknesses, everything people here. So you don't preach the gospel only with money, with the word here. You preach it with material also, clothing, money. Some of them are sick; they cannot go to hospital. To take the hospital. Some of them you have to help them pay for the hospital bills. Some of them to take care of the children. Some of them, the widows, you see them. And, the need here is great. Well, first, yes. We need resources. There are people that will come from other places to help us evaluate the place. We even need cinema material, what they call it, film projectors. Because you go to Village Square and mount films, and they will see these things we're talking about, like Jesus' face or whatever. Or just prayer for them, and they will find they repent and come to the Lord. All these things. So we need this equipment for it. But apart from this structure, which is the way you see it now, is massive. What is the plan? What is the plan? Well, we can take it also. My name is Reverend Barrister Cosmas Okafor Jugu. I'm the president priest of All Souls Church Enugu. I'm appealing to anyone, anywhere in the world. God can move to come and help us very quickly. All lives will be sorted up in this place. Erosion is a very terrible threat in this area of Nigeria, the eastern Nigeria. Very terrible. So communities are being wiped out because of it. So if you look at this, after many years of toil here, we don't become this place. It becomes a problem, it becomes a waste.
Okay.
So this is the revised plan for the church. What we can see here is what will stand on this platform now. As the underground, this what will stand on this platform now. We have nothing on ground to build this church, as we see it here. But our prayer and plan is that between now and December, we'll rebuild the church. If we have the means of doing it, God will help us. Already we have spent about 9 years building this place. 9. There's no money, no people. Paid for many things. Not much help. The women and the young women that are here in these communities are tired. Tired of giving and sinking their money on the ground. But now I've reclaimed it. Now is to take out the structure. We believe it to be. Now when a building will be seeing what we're building. It's one who have been building on this building since the foundation.
Okay, the site
engineer.
Site engineer.
Who is supervising this work. He's been here on the foundation level. The based on the underground here until now.
Sick.